Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Indian Pharmacopoeia. Before going to the topic, please watch my previous video, Introduction of Pharmacopoeia. In that I explained the pharmacopoeia definition, importance of pharmacopoeia and list of countries which are having the pharmacopoeias and the drug compendia definition and the categories of the drug compendia. Now going to the topic, Indian Pharmacopoeia. What is Indian Pharmacopoeia? It is the legal and official book of standards of the drugs being manufactured and marketed in India. That means the drugs both manufactured and marketed in India having some set of standards. All the set of standards are mentioned in the one book is known as an Indian Pharmacopoeia. It contains the collection of the monographs. Monographs is nothing but the detailed information of the specific drug and its dosage form and the method of analysis for their identity, purity and the strength. The main criteria of Indian Pharmacopoeia, that means the purpose of Indian Pharmacopoeia is to ensure the quality of the drugs in India. It also acts as a reference for the laboratory and industries and the colleges. The set of standards are published under the title of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Indian Pharmacopoeia is also known as IP, and at the beginning of the pharmacopoeia, first pharmacopoeia, it was written in the English and the official titles of the monographs are written in Latin, but nowadays the whole pharmacopoeia is written in English. Now, who published the Indian Pharmacopoeia? Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by the Government of India by a commission known as IPC, Indian Pharmacy Commission. It is an autonomous body of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, sets the standards for the drugs manufacturing and being marketed in India. And going to the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission is formed according to the Indian Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940, and it was established by the executive orders of the Indian government in the year 1956. That means the formation of the commission in the year 1956, and it is shaped and followed from the British Pharmacopoeia. The set of standards which are mentioned in the Indian Pharmacopoeia are being followed by the year 2010, and the headquarters is in Ghaziabad. It is in Uttar Pradesh, and the chairman at that time is P.K. Pradhan, Secretary of Health and the Family Welfare, and the website is ipc.government.in. Some of the important years of the Indian Pharmacopoeia is in the year 1944, the process of publishing of the first pharmacopoeia, and in the year 1948, the Government of India appointed the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission for the preparing of the pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia. And in the year 1955, first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh. Till now, 8 editions of the Indian Pharmacopoeias were published, and now we will discuss about them according to edition, year, addendum and the chairmanship and the volume and the color. First edition of Pharmacopoeia was published in the year 1955, second in 1966, third in 1985, fourth in 1996, fifth in 2007, sixth in 2010, and seventh in 2014, and the eighth in 2018. And addendums. Addendum is nothing but the supplementary. Supplementary is the set of standards which are not incorporated in the pharmacopoeia in that year can be added in the addendum. And first edition of pharmacopoeia having only one addendum, and in the year 1960, and second having one addendum in the year 1972, and the third pharmacopoeia having 2 addendums, one in 1989 and another in 1991, and the fourth pharmacopoeia having 3 addendums, one in 2000 and second in 2002 and third in 2005. and fifth pharmacopoeia having only one addendum in the year 2008, and the sixth pharmacopoeia having one addendum in the year 2012, and the seventh pharmacopoeia having two addendums, one in 2015, another in 2016, and the eighth pharmacopoeia till not have any addendums. Chairmanship. The first edition of Pharmacopoeia was published under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh, and second by Dr. B. Mukherjee, and third, fourth, fifth by Dr. Nityanand, and the sixth pharmacopoeia by Chandramouli, and the seventh by Ghulam Nabi Azad, and eighth by Dr. C.K. Misra. And going to volumes, volume is nothing but the part of the pharmacopoeias, and first and second pharmacopoeia having a one volume, and the third and fourth having two volumes, and fifth and sixth having three volumes, 7 and 8 having 4 volumes. And going to color, color is nothing but the front page of the pharmacopoeia. Fourth and fifth and sixth pharmacopoeia having a blue color front page, seventh having a red color front page, and the eighth pharmacopoeia having a orange color front page. Now we will discuss about the features of the latest Indian Pharmacopoeia edition, 8th edition 2018. In that 220 monographs are newly added, and 366 monographs are revised, and 7 monographs are omitted. And 220 in the 220 monographs which are newly added are 170 new chemical monographs, and 18 biological products, 15 new herbal products, 14 new veterinary or non-biological products, and 3 new radiopharmaceutical compounds. In that 170 new chemical monographs are 2 antibiotics, 2 chemical excipients, 3 fixed dose combinations, and the 49 active pharmaceutical ingredients, and the 64 new formulations. This is the Indian Pharmacopoeia. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my latest videos. Thank you friends.